Hallsguide Diecast news, and I've got some more Johnny Lightning. This is the Pop Culture 2021 Release 5. I believe this is the final Pop Culture for 2021. Of course, it is 2022, but they've been a little bit slow getting these out this year. So this is Johnny Lightning from Round 2. Round 2 is the parent company, also owns Auto World. So factory sealed case. We'll cross our fingers and hope for a white lightning in here. Alright, this is the Pop Culture series. So we're going to start off with Monopoly, which comes with an exclusive game token there. And there are some fun facts about Monopoly there on the side. And this is a 1932 Ford Highboy Coupe. It's got Monopoly graphics on it, on the roof as well. Mr. Moneybags. A little bit disappointed in that front wheel there. I'm sure that can be fixed if you're taking it out of the package. If you leave it in the package, not much you can do about that. Alright, up next we have a 1975 Ford Mustang Cobra 2 racer. Also with a game token. So it's got a game token that looks similar to the car. Just like the other one, the Highboy has a Highboy game token there. So you can have some custom game tokens. If you're a Monopoly fan, this would be a great way to acquire some unique tokens there. It says go to jail, do not pass go. There's the top, it's got Monopoly. Looks like those are M's going across the top there. There's the detail on the front. Very cool casting. Alright, and then from the Blues Brothers, we've got a 1974 Dodge Monaco Bluesmobile. Looks like it has a custom spray painted paint job here. Kind of an interesting paint job on this one. Looks like a very amateur paint job. It's from the Blues Brothers. And we get a second one from the Blues Brothers. This time it's a Chicago Police 1975 Dodge Monaco. So this one's in white. Alright, next it is a 1948 Tucker Torpedo from Trivial Pursuit. And it comes with a Trivial Pursuit game card there. And it also has a little token there. Kind of like a gambling chip. Casino chip. It's a Tucker Torpedo. Really nice detail on that paint. That's a really pretty color that was used there. Kind of a pearl red, white wall wheels. And James Bond, Dr. No. This was the first James Bond film, Dr. No, featuring Sean Connery, and it is a 1962 Sunbeam Alpine from Dr. No. Facts, shaken, not stirred. Alright, so that is the Pop Culture set. Variety of different pop culture references there. So give us a thumbs up if you like that one. Subscribe, click subscribe to be updated whenever we put out new videos, always getting a new diecast, posting those up. And you can purchase these online at diecastrepublic.com. Check the link down at the bottom. You can purchase them individually or purchase a case, and you never know, you might pull a White Lightning Chase out of one of those cases. And you can follow us online at hallsguide.com and on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram by following the links below. See you next time.